Today we're talking about the change of base formula and some other properties of logs. The change of base formula allows us to take any log with any base and change it into a different log with any base that we want. Any base that is a valid base for a log. So anything that is positive. And that's useful because it can help us evaluate some log on a calculator, or it can help us when trying to simplify a log expression or solve a log equation, because often we need logs to have the same base in order to simplify them. So if we had something like log base 9 of 25 and we wanted to evaluate this, find its exact value, it's kind of hard to do that as is, so we can use the change of base formula and then plug it into a calculator. And when you're using it in a calculator, the two different bases that your calculator typically will be able to solve are base 10, so it would look something like this, log base 10, and then when you're using the change of base formula, it always turns into a quotient, and then your two logs are going to have the same base. So log base 10, and then your original argument becomes the argument of your numerator, log base 10 of 25, and the base of your original log becomes the argument of the log in your denominator. So log base 10, we call that the common log, and that can be evaluated on your calculator. Or we could change this into something using natural log, which is log base e. And it would say, so using change of base, log base e, so it would look like this, log base e of 25 divided by log base e of 9. Now typically you don't see log base e written like this, it's just written as the natural log, so ln of 25 divided by the natural log of 9. And also typically common log isn't written like this. When you just see log log and then you don't see an argument, and you just see argument, you don't see a base written, that means that it's log base 10, which is the common log. And then you would just take these values, plug them into your calculator, and do the division.